Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at WeBe Autos. They have a really cool truck, 1970 C10 Stepside, sitting on rallies with brand new tires. Got some big fat Coopers on the back. It's a 383 stroker, turbo 400, aluminum heads, headers, dual exhaust. Brand new taillights in the back. New chains, side markers, door handles, gas cap. It's finished in like a hugger orange. And the patina look, which is pretty cool. Nice straight body. New emblem up front. Looks like a new front bumper. New windshield wiper arms. Reclaimed wood in the back with stainless runners. Toolbox is not included. The motor is very healthy. It's literally just installed. Also, a lot of nice hand-painted pinstriping on this truck. Makes a huge difference. There she is, 383 stroker, Holley aluminum heads, brand new fuel pump or water pump, billet pulleys, power steering, power brakes, new master. Chrome Alternator. This is a street dominator. Holley 650 electric choke to double pumper. Electronic ignition. Looks like new wires, new plugs, new mini starter down there. Manual or electric or manual fuel pump. See that? Nice big aluminum, big radiator with an electric fan. Battery looks like it's pretty new. Nice truck. New windshield washer reservoir. Looks like the seats just redone. Got seat belts all the way around. I like how he finished the interior to match the outside. The contrasting white. Showing 74,461 miles. Thing sounds nice. Added gauges, temp bolts and oil. Scary voodoo head. Man, this thing is evil. Fuel tank still behind the seat. Sounds healthy. Got a Moser rear back here too. C10 volt. Nice truck. Very healthy. I love these stroker motors. Probably has 400, 4.25 horse. Just rips. Well guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from WeBe Autos. Feel free to give me a shout. I'm at 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures, information, and detail on our main website. It's webeautos.com. Thanks a lot.